I'm Dave Rogers, and I'm the Director of the Electric Truck Division at ETHERO Truck and Energy. For a little over a year, we've been planning to move into Northern California. We've actually been doing business here for a little bit, but decided to make sure that we had all the preparations ready for our team to be able to shine here in Stockton.
My name is Dave Baiocchi, and I'm the General Manager at ETHERO Truck and Energy in Stockton, California. Stockton really sits between the largest two California corridors for freight. It's centrally located. All of the freight that's coming through the Port of Oakland and leaving to go into the Central Valley really has to pass close to Stockton.
We're trucking people, so we have experience with trucks and heavy equipment and charging infrastructure. The infrastructure is just as important as the truck, and we can provide one charger that plugs into some existing power that company already has. We could also provide anything up to a major solar field that powers multiple megawatts. It's been many, many years in the trucking industry since we've had such transformation happening so rapidly. And so customers need to have someone by their side to consult with them and to help bring solutions to transitioning to zero emissions.
There's incentive programs from the state, there's incentive programs from the air districts, you have federal money, you have tax advantages. Having a company that really understands how to navigate those waters is important, and that's really what we bring to the party.
We don't just provide the truck and energy solutions, but we provide the service to maintain that truck, that confidence that they can partner with somebody who can help them after the sale. We bring that knowledge into a burgeoning zero emissions movement.